Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the function keys on HP Chromebook 14A. The function keys are sort of a similar thing that you have on Windows or Mac OS or anything else, but they don't have the F1, F2 and so on, if you know like how it is on Windows. So I think it's just more intuitive, less confusing. You just have symbols for it. And let's talk about the escape. It's not really a function key, it just lets you escape sometimes, like out of a full screen in, I don't know, in YouTube. It has some different functions to just escape, right? Now the second key is the back key. So if you're like within an app, let's say within Chrome, I can click on the back key if I go somewhere first. So let's, for example, go to our website, select Telegram tutorials, and let's select change app background. Now if I click on the back key, I just go back to the previous page. Now the other one is refresh, so it just refreshes the website. The other one is full screen. It's quite useful. Now this one is for seeing the desks on your screen. This is the fourth key, right? Actually fifth. It's the fifth key, including the escape. You can, for example, switch to a different desktop, add another desktop and stuff like that. But you can also do it by swiping 3 fingers up on your touchpad. Now the sixth is screenshot. Seventh is the brightness down, then brightness up. Another is play on or pause some music or your YouTube, whatever else. Then microphone mute switch, speaker mute switch, volume down, volume up. Then this is for just your control center, right? And this is the power button, but you can see if you press on it shortly, it doesn't do anything. You need to hold on it for 2 seconds. Now you have the shutdown menu. And also the last key is this one. This is in the place of caps lock. On other keyboards there is a caps lock, but in this case this is the launcher key. It opens the launcher for apps, and you can also search for your shortcuts, files, apps and more. And that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.